Bissell SpotClean Portable Electric Steam Cleaner, compact, powerful deep cleaning for home and car. Bring professional-grade cleaning power into your home with the Bissell SpotClean Portable Electric Steam Cleaner, designed to remove stubborn stains, spills, and dirt from carpets, sofas, mattresses, curtains, and car interiors. Compact, lightweight, and efficient, this household fabric cleaning machine delivers powerful deep cleaning performance anytime, anywhere. Perfect for families, pet owners, and anyone who values a spotless home. The SpotClean combines high-temperature steam and strong suction to tackle messes quickly and hygienically without the need for harsh chemicals. Powerful steam cleaning performance. Harness the natural power of hot steam to loosen and dissolve even the most stubborn stains. The Bissell SpotClean uses high-pressure steam to penetrate deep into fibers, breaking down dirt, grease, and bacteria, leaving fabrics fresh, sanitized, and odor-free. Effective stain and spot removal. Say goodbye to wine spills, coffee stains, pet messes, and ground-in dirt. The SpotClean system efficiently lifts away embedded grime from carpets and rugs, sofas and upholstery, mattresses and bedding, curtains and drapes, car seats and interiors. It's the ultimate multi-surface cleaning tool for both home and vehicle use. Compact, lightweight and portable design. With its portable build and ergonomic handle, this steam cleaner is easy to carry from room to room or out to your car. Despite its compact size, it delivers powerful suction and deep cleaning comparable to larger commercial units, making it the perfect balance of convenience and performance. Dual water tank system. The separate clean and dirty water tanks ensure you're always cleaning with fresh water and solution. Refilling, emptying, and rinsing are quick and easy, reducing mess and maintenance. Chemical-free deep cleaning. Steam cleaning eliminates the need for harsh detergents or toxic chemicals. The Bissell SpotClean naturally sanitizes with the power of heat, making it safe for homes with children, pets, and allergy sufferers. Simple to use and maintain. Just fill the tank, plug it in, and start steaming. The intuitive controls and quick heating system mean you can clean instantly without complicated setup. The detachable hose and removable tanks make post-cleaning maintenance effortless. Quiet yet powerful operation. Engineered for household comfort, the SpotClean operates at a low noise level while maintaining strong suction performance, allowing you to clean anytime without disturbing others. Product specifications. Brand, Bissell. Model, SpotClean Portable Steam Cleaner. Voltage, 220 V. Power source, electric. Function, steam cleaning plus strong suction. Application, sofa, carpet, mattress, curtain, car interior. Tank system, separate clean and dirty water tanks. Design, compact and portable. Cleaning mode, high temperature steam plus spot extraction. Why choose the Bissell SpotClean? Compact, lightweight, and easy to store. Removes deep stains and odors with steam power. Safe for all types of fabric and upholstery. Ideal for home and car cleaning. Eco-friendly, chemical-free sanitization. Trusted Bissell quality and performance. Whether it's a quick spot clean or a full refresh, the Bissell SpotClean Portable Steam Cleaner keeps your home and car looking and smelling like new effortlessly.